Hi, this is lecture number 4 of Python course, and this lecture will see conditional statements. What are conditional statements? These are basic if-else and elif statements, and how does these work? Let me just write the basic syntax of conditional statements. So at first we write if followed by some condition. Now this condition can be in form of if A is greater than 10 or if A is greater than equal to 10. Now this A is greater than equal to 10 means this will be true either if A is greater than 10, or this will be also true if A is equal to 10. This will give a true result. So or this can be if A is equal to 10. Now in conditions I can't use an assignment operator. This assignment operator is used to give values to variables. We have to use equal to operator now. This is the equal to operator with two equal tos. So when we are writing a condition, we have to use an equal to operator. So keep this in your mind. So these are the some conditions which we'll be writing, and then we will write a colon, and then we will go to next line, and we will press tab. We will press tab on the keyboard. This is indentation. Okay. Now anything written in tab, um, anything written in tab will get executed only if this condition gets true. So anything written indented with one tab will execute it. So in if we have to write another condition, we'll not use if, we'll now use else if, and we'll write else if as elif and then followed by some condition and then a colon and then some statements to be executed if this condition gets true. If this condition gets true, then these statements will get executed. So, followed by some other condition. So, then these conditions will get, these statements will get only executed if this condition will be true. If this condition will be true, it will execute these lines and this will all the other if will not get executed. Only this one get executed if this condition is true. And let's just say all of these conditions are false. None of these conditions are true. What will happen then? So what will happen is then the else statement will get executed. Okay. Now else does not have a condition. Why it does not have a condition? Because if all the other above conditions are false, then that means this else is true and else will be executed. So I was telling you about conditions and how does Python know that the conditions are true or false. Let me just show you that. Let me just put all of this in a comment and let me just increase the brightness. So if we print if I print 1 equal to 3, what will it give me the result? Let me just see. This will give false as a result. Why? Because 1 is not equal to 3. Okay. Now if I write 1 is greater than 3, it will still give me a false because 1 is not greater than 3. So if I write 1 is less than 3, the Python will know that this situation is true. Okay. 1 is less than 3. So if I write 1 is less than equal to 1, now what will happen is first this Python will check is 1 less than 1. It will say no, 1 is not less than 1. It will give a false because 1 is not less than 1. Then Python will say this is a compound operator. This is a compound operator. In compound operator, if either of the operator gets true, the whole statement is true. Okay. So it will then check this equal to. So it will check is 1 equal to 1 and it will be true. So this whole condition gets true. This whole condition will get true. So let me just show it to you. So if I run it, it will give us true because 1 is not less than 1, 1 is equal to 1, 1 equal to 1 will get a true. So this is how Python will know the conditions are true or false. And only when a condition is true, the below indented lines with tab will get executed, not any other line. Okay. So let me just write some if-else code. So um, imagine you are on a software and a software asks you to write your age. Okay, we can get an input from the user by using input function, and it asks write your age. And as you know, the input function should always be inside the int typecasting function because the age is an integer. That is why I'm using the int typecasting, because the input function always return a string. So this string should be typecasted into an integer and then given to an age function. Okay. Now, if the age is let's just say if the age is greater than 40. Okay, if the age is greater than 40, what will happen then? Then it will print okay, there is a variable named as bonus, and the value of bonus right now is 0. Okay, so if the age is greater than 40, if the age is greater than 40, then it will print hi, you are premium member of our, let's just say it's just a company. Okay, and these are the members who are so not members or employees. Okay, these are the employees of the company who are typing their age. So if the age is greater than 40, the employees get some bonus. Okay. So if their age is greater than 40, it will prompt hi, you are a premium member of our company. So you will get mm, 1,000 rupees bonus. Okay. And then let me just increase the value of bonus. I can write bonus is equal to bonus plus 1,000, right? So the bonus new value will be the bonus old value, which is 0, and this old value 0 will get incremented by 1,000. So the bonus new value will be 0 plus 1,000. So in short, 1,000. Okay, but we write it this way: bonus is equal to bonus plus 1,000. This is how the bonus, there will be a new value for bonus only if the age is greater than 40. So if the age is if the age is greater than 18. Okay, so if the age is greater than 18, let's just say 19 to 39. Okay, why 19 to 39? 39 because or if it will exceed 40, then this will get printed. Okay, then 39 to 40, the if the age is 19 to 40, then this will be executed, and if the age is greater than 40, then this will be executed. So now if the age is greater than 18, it will just print hi, you are middle-aged employee. Hi, you're a middle-aged employee of our company. So you will get 500 rupees bonus, and now the bonus will increment by only 500. And there is another condition, else if, which is if age is 18. Okay, if age is exactly equal to 18, not greater than 18. Greater than 18 means 19 to 40, because it will exceed 40, then this will get printed. So if age is exactly equal to 18, then it will print you just you just joined our company, so you will only get bonus of 100 rupees. So right now the bonus will be incremented by bonus plus 100. So else, and now if someone put the age as let's just suppose less than 18, so if none of this gets true, then else will be executed. So else is print you are underage, you are not even an employee. Okay, so let me just run this code, and let me just write the age as 12. Okay, if I press enter, it says you're underage, you're not even an employee. So what happened is this variable age gets the value, okay, of 12, and let's just say 12 is written right here. Okay, so it checked, Python checked, is 12 greater than 40? No, it's not. So it is false. So if it is false, it will not print any of this. Okay, it will move on to the next condition. So it will not print any of that. It will move on to the next condition. So it checked again, is 12 is greater than 18? It's not. So it is false again. It will not print any of this. So it goes here. It checked, is is 12 equal to 18? No, it's not. 12 is not equal to 18. So it is just false. So it just said it is false. This will not get executed. So now if none of the conditions are true, all the three conditions or four conditions, none of them are true, then else will get executed. Okay. So the else said you are underage, you're not even an employee. So let me just run it again. And also let me just print the bonus here. Okay, print the bonus here. Sorry, let me just print the bonus. So if I write my age as 41, or if I write my age as 41 and press enter, it said, hi, you're a premium employee of our company, so you will get 1000 rupees in bonus. And wait a second, it didn't print bonus because I have to run it again, and because I didn't control S. So 41. So hi, you are a premium employee of a company. You will get 1000 rupees bonus. and then the bonus gets printed. So the age it checked 41 is greater than 40. So this got true and this got printed, and it just ignored all the other condition. It will not even check them because this condition gets true. Okay, so it will ignore all the other conditions because this condition gets true. So it will just execute these lines inside the condition. Okay, so let me just write 40 here, and we just press enter. So this hire middle-aged employer for company, so we'll get 500 rupees bonus and then 500, and the 500 is this line. Okay, so why is 40 middle age? Because the premium employee is greater than 40, so 18, so 19 to 40 will be middle age. Okay, and the equal to 18 will be the new joining. So in the today's lecture, we discussed our conditional statements in Python. In the next lecture, we'll see how for loop and while loop work in Python. So stay tuned.